for the first time. In this lesson, you will read and listen to a short dialogue between two people who meet for the first time.
Hi. My name is Maria. What's your name?
Hi, Maria. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, David. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to this city last week.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from London, but now I live in Tbilisi. What about you?
I live in Tbilisi too. I've been here all my life.
That's great. Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's a nice place with friendly people.
I agree. So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. I teach English at a school. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company online.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like working from home. What about you? Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, very much. I love helping students learn.
That's wonderful. Do you work in the city center?
Yes, my school is near the big park. Do you work from home every day?
Yes, most days. Sometimes I go to a cafe to work.
Nice. Well, it was really nice talking to you.
You too, Maria. Maybe we can meet again sometime.
Sure. Have a good day, David.
You too. Bye. Hi, Maria. I'm David. Nice to meet you. I'm from London, but now I live in Tbilisi. What about you? That's great. Do you like it? I agree. So, what do you do? Do you enjoy teaching? That's wonderful. Do you work in the city center? Maybe we can meet again sometime.
Hi. My name is Maria. What's your name? Nice to meet you too, David. Are you new here? Welcome. Where are you from? I teach English at a school. What do you do? Do you like your job? Do you work from home every day? Sure. Have a good day, David.
Well done. In this lesson, you learned how to introduce yourself and talk about your job and where you live. Try to practice this dialogue with a friend or record yourself speaking. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel. Keep going.